Welcome back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Alright guys, it's currently about 6:15 p.m. Eastern Time. The price of Bitcoin is currently at $119,625. And we're starting off here with the weekly chart. We know we closed kind of like a topping tail, which is generally short-term to mid-term bearish. It looks like we could go sideways, possibly come down a bit. The 21 moving average is currently at 98,963, and the stochastics are pretty high here. It's hard to say if we're going to come straight down, if we're going to continue dragging sideways. So the weekly right now is a little iffy, but this topping tail is not showing me a good sign. Now if we look at the 6-day chart, it kind of looks like we're coming back up on the stochastic, but again, at some point in time we're going to have to come down, so it's getting a little bit risky. 5-day chart shows that we still have some room as well. See a little curvature here, but we still need more days to see what's going to happen. We see the 3-day chart, it already does look like we are curving down. The 21 moving average is at 109,321. We are kind of flagging sideways here, so that's looking pretty nice. The 2-day chart, same thing, we're flagging sideways. Stochastics look like they want to come down. Now on the daily chart over here, I felt like the stochastics, even though they were on the way down, like they were going to curve, and now it's kind of giving me the vibe again that they kind of want to curve up. We've already went kind of halfway down. I'm seeing some curvature, but it's still hard to say. At any point in time we could just easily fall back down. So for right now, I'm guessing that we're going to come down. Let's see in a day or two if we curve a little bit more up. We are getting closer to the 21 moving average. Now it's at 114,655. Now that we're close, it's possible that we could make a move up. Today Bitcoin was pretty bullish and we made it back up to 120k. We've been holding around 118, 119k. It's been very indecisive. They're keeping us in this mid-level of 117, 119. They're teasing us that they want to drop us down to 114, 111, but then they bring us back to 120, then teasing us that they're going to go to 123, 125. So we're very indecisive at the moment. The daily is not looking too bad though, but we did have a topping tail here that usually shows that we're going to go sideways. I mean, we have been going sideways for a couple of days. I still feel like we might get a little drop down to the 21, possibly a little bit lower, but I don't know. It's been bullish. It looks like they're trying to psych us out a little bit. On the 22-hour chart, this is looking good as well. We're rounding back up. Of course, this could always roll back over, but right now it's looking good. We made it back above the 21 moving average, which is at 118,467. So this is looking bullish as well. Now on the 12-hour chart, stochastics on the way up, we're back above the 21. Yesterday, everything looked more bearish because we were below the 21 moving averages. Now we're above it again. On the 10-hour chart, this is looking good as well. We're coming back up. 8-hour chart, stochastics, look, they were rolling over. Now we're making it back up, also above the 21 moving average. 6-hour chart, we're starting to get toppy. Not yet. We still have a lot more room to continue going up. We're also above the 21 moving average, so that's bullish. Now on the 4-hour chart yesterday, it looked like we were going to continue coming down the stochastics, but we made a U-turn. We're coming back up. Now we're starting to get a little toppy. We're back above the 21 moving average as well. This is where we have the two patterns. It's either or. Yesterday we were starting to break the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern here that brings us down to about 111,500. And as you can see, we did start breaking the neckline here. We made it all the way to the 80 moving average. We kind of bounced up off of the 100 moving average, and all of a sudden we came back into the flag, and now we're breaking out of the flag a little bit. So they're really trying to trick us here. They're really trying to make it very indecisive whether we're going down, whether we're going up, and it's right now it's a seesaw. It's back and forth. So we still need more data to see what's going to end up happening. You see the 3-hour chart is getting a little toppy. The 2-hour chart, stochastics are toppy as well. The 1-hour chart looks like we want to come down, but look, again, we made it above the 21 and the 200 again off of this double bottom pattern here. This is kind of looking like it could be a cup and handle that could pop us up. This right here is looking like a symmetrical triangle, which could go either way. So it's very tricky today. 45-minute chart looks like we want to roll over. We have a bearish divergence here. 30-minute chart looks like we're on the way down, and the 15-minute chart, the stochastics just reset. We're bouncing up off the 21 moving average. This kind of looks double topish here. So right now guys, I just see Bitcoin going sideways. We're still ranging between 117, 120. We haven't made that 114 yet. We haven't really broken above 120, so it's very hard to say what's going to happen. We have to continue looking at this 4-hour chart. Right now I have to be a little bit more on the bullish side, just because we've regained ground and we've regained the 21 moving averages on these higher time frames. So let's see what ends up happening with this daily chart. This candle closes in about an hour and 40 minutes, so it's going to be interesting to see. We're getting a very big green candle at the moment. Let's see if we get that curvature, and maybe, you know, to get super bullish, to be honest, we would have to get above this topping tail. So we do have to get above 123 to get ultra bullish. That doesn't mean that we can't come up to 122, even touch 123, and then eventually come down. But that's what I'm saying, it's getting a little bit back and forth. So we just need more data. Right now things are looking bullish. We might come back tomorrow and things might look bearish, but that 114 mark is still looming upon us. So overall, guys, I just see us going sideways right now. We might make some pumps up, we might make some pumps down. Just have to be careful because, like I said, we could get more downside. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.